Hey guys, if you want to know how to instantly convert your USDT to Bitcoin on Binance without any fee, this video is for you. First of all, we need to go into Trade at the top left, then go to Convert. Now you will see different options. I recommend using Market if you want an instant trade. Here you can choose between spot or funding depending where you have your Bitcoin. In my case, I will choose my spot wallet. Now select USDT right here and put your desired amount. You can do it by clicking your balance too if you want to exchange all your USDT. You will have more details about the transaction here and then just convert it. Now we can check everything went fine by going to our wallet. Spot wallet in my case. And as you can see, everything went fine. If this tutorial was useful for you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching.